Click on the link below to get price. The Fujifilm X-T50 mirrorless digital camera with the XC15 45mmF3.5 5.6 OIS PZ lens bundle kit is a compelling choice for both budding photographers and seasoned professionals seeking a portable yet powerful camera. With its stylish retro design and solid build quality, the X-T50 is not only visually appealing but also packed with advanced features. One of the standout features of the X-T50 is its 26.1 MP APS-C sensor, which delivers stunning image quality, vibrant colors, and impressive detail even in low-light conditions. The camera's color science is exceptional, producing true-to-life skin tones in rich landscapes. The included XC15 45mm lens is versatile, making it perfect for a variety of shooting scenarios, from landscapes to portraits. The lens is also lightweight and compact, complementing the camera's portability. Fujifilm has equipped the X-T50 with an intuitive touchscreen interface that rotates, allowing for creative angles and easy navigation. The autofocus system is fast and accurate, with 425 phase detection points, making it a breeze to capture moving subjects. The camera also supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, which is a fantastic feature for videographers looking to create high-quality content. Battery life is decent, providing around 350 shots on a single charge, which is adequate for a day of shooting. However, it's a good idea to carry a spare battery for longer outings. The camera's connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enable seamless sharing of your photos and videos to your smartphone or tablet, enhancing the overall user experience. Overall, the Fujifilm X-T50 mirrorless digital camera bundle kit is a remarkable package that combines style, functionality, and performance. It caters to a wide range of photography needs, making it a worthy investment for anyone looking to elevate their photography skills or explore new creative avenues. Whether you're a casual shooter or someone more serious about photography, the X-T50 is sure to impress.